Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to use the freeware Audacity by combining two different soundtracks. Well, first of all, we are going to open the first soundtrack. In this case, it is going to correspond to the song The Girl from Ipanema in Portuguese. Then go to projects and we are going to add a new stereo track. We are going to open now a new instance of this software, and in this case we are going to open the same song but in English. That would be the English version of The Girl from Ipanema. So we are going to try to combine them together. We go to Edit, Select All, Edit Copy. So we close this and then we go to the second track that we have already, we have just added, and then we go Edit Paste. If we play, we're gonna listen to the two sounds together. But what we need to combine them is to sort of silence one of them. So we press mute the second one, and in the first one we're gonna see what time does the singer start singing. So it's going to be around here. Well, let's see what second. Sorry, it's going to be around between the 8th and the 9th second. Well, first of all, we need to get rid of the silence at the start of the song. So we're gonna delete the silence. Let's do it again. So it's gonna start singing around the second number 8. So we're gonna do basically the same with the second one. Well, first of all, we're gonna get rid of the starting silence of the song by choosing and pressing delete. Then let's listen to the song to see when it starts. So it's around the second number 15. So it means that we have 15 minus 8. We have in the second song we have like 7 extra seconds that we need to get rid of. So around second number 7, we're going to, so we release this, sorry, and now we're going to get rid of them. So basically, to make sure that they start the same time singing, we play them together so you can see that they, well, more or less, they begin at the same time. So since the first one is going to start, so what we're going to do in the second one, so we are going to, well, first of all, we press mute in the first track around second number 12 in the second, between 12 and 11. We are going to choose this fringe of and then we're going to go for effect, and we are going to choose the effect fade in. That means that the second song is going to start sort of smoothly. It's not going to, so the second singer is going to be added, but in second number 8 So basically, second thing that we need to do is to sort of de-amplify a little bit the second singer until it begins singing. So from second 8 to, so we choose between 8 and 12, and we go for amplify. But instead of amplifying with a positive value, what we do is de-amplify, we add a negative value. So amplification minus 10. So that way means that we play the two together. We're going to listen. And now we're going to do the same effect, but choosing, instead of the second track, we're going to sort of de-amplify the first track. But first, we're going to add, so instead of, in this case, a fade-in effect, we're going to choose a fade-out effect. It means that the transition is not going to be sort of, it's going to be smoothly. And then we're going to choose a range of this song, which is going to be de-amplified. So that way we're going to be able to listen to the second. And then we're going to say effect amplified, as we're going to choose like minus 10, a negative value, so that the song that we're going to listen is the second track. So let's make sure that it works. Well, what you basically have to do is you can download these two soundtracks from my webpage, audacityex, and then you have to combine in such a way that we can listen to hear the two different language versions. Well, not just in two occasions, but let's say 5 different occasions. So you have to combine it. When we finish combining them, we're going to export as MP3, and then it says that the two tracks are going to be mixed together. You say OK, and then you write down a name, mix Ipanema or something like that, and that would be your final outcome of the and then you have to add a lame, which is a software to convert into MP3.